Hi everyone, Slow the Rider here. So I'm off to a place called Foxhow. Is that how you say that thing? It's Foxhow, so I don't know how it is. It's Foxhow. No, Foxhow. Okay, so I'm about to go there right now. So it's about 2:30 here in Melbourne. We had a really bad day with rain and thunderstorm. So yeah, it was really bad until this afternoon about 12ish, and then suddenly the sun is out. So my plan was still to go out and just had some work to finish. So we finished that work and I'm like, alright, let's head out really. Foxhow is a little place near Geelong, so I have to go towards Geelong first, and then after I'll have to just checking on this side, nobody's here, great. So then after I'll just have to go a little bit on the right. So all in all, Google says it should take me about 2 hours to get there, but provided this traffic, I think I might take a little bit more than 2 hours. What else is happening right now? Nothing much really. I haven't got my motorcycle yet. It was supposed to be here in October. It's almost end of November, and they said that apparently the motorcycle is in Australia on the 15th of November, but they would not have it on hand on that day, so they still have to do like a pre-delivery kind of thing. So we're just waiting on that really. So the next stop will be somewhere where I'm gonna go and check where to get out of, right? So I don't know how to get there, how to get to this place. I know how to get to Geelong, I know how to get onto that road, but I don't know actually how to go from Geelong to this place that I'm looking to go to. So I'll have to stop somewhere. The Scala QZ, the single rider Bluetooth comms thing, is currently not charged, so I'm just charging that. I'm also charging the second GoPro as well. The ride from here until that point is going to be really boring anyways, so there's nothing really to see. It's a straightforward ride, you know. Once I turn right here, I just follow the road, and yeah, I'm gonna get to the freeway really, and the freeway is just gonna be straight up to Geelong. But that's the most boring part. That's like about 1 hour of the ride. That would be mostly like an hour, or that would be mostly about like 40-45 minutes worth of ride really. But yeah, the total is 2 hours, right? So even if it turns off, guys, I will see you in a moment. Alright, so I'm here now. Took me about just under 1 hour to get here. And just on the way here I saw there was a photo, and I just realized that I actually haven't had any lunch or any breakfast today at all. It's been a busy day, so just gonna get myself some food. Back to the road again. So a very cruisy ride from what I see. Yeah, 1 hour and 10 minutes. So by 5 o'clock I should be at the point, and just gonna take some photos, some videos, and gonna head back home. Really, it's a very small cruisy ride, so just another small 1 hour. So let's go. There's nobody on this road, no one, you know, the whole road is just empty. I've hardly seen anyone on this road right now, and let's see how much more of these to go. But this is amazing, you know, like there's no one here at all. Okay, we have another 15 kilometers of this to go. Okay, yeah, so basically what's happening is like the roads are getting smaller and smaller as we go. So say there was a bigger road and with more traffic, and then suddenly we're on a smaller road and really there's no traffic at all. And there's another turn we have to turn, and yeah, we literally gonna have nobody here. This is amazing, man. So I guess this is it. This is it. That was Foxhow before what I passed, and I also passed the biggest lake here in Victoria. I can't remember the name of the lake. I think it's called Lake Cor something, but I'll put the name in the description, and I'll put the name somewhere in the video. But that's what the lake is called. Now there's nothing here really. If I can see a car, that would be great. So that is it. This is that is what Foxhow is. The reason why I wanted to come here is just to see how good the road is, how good the drive is. It's a straightforward drive. There was no twists and turns. I saw a sign that said 3 kilometers of winding road just before getting here, but it's like hardly anything really. But the reason why this place is special is because it's got the biggest lake that Victoria has. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and stop somewhere between the two water bodies, and I'm going to see if it's a good place to fly the drone. Of course there are cars coming on this road, so I'm just gonna be careful, and I won't be able to go too close to the water because the range of my Mavic Mini doesn't actually go that far. So I'm just waiting for these two cars to go, and then after I'm gonna make a U-turn. But the drive is really nice there, right? Even though there's nothing here. Like, look at that. That's beautiful over here. Probably if I can put a drone up somewhere, just gotta make sure that I'm stopping somewhere where it's safe for myself and also for oncoming traffic. So there's water over there, water over there. So let's fly the drone around here.